Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Children Welfare Committee says that they work towards helping the children and not to harm them. GPCC prepares for the forthcoming Lok Sabha poll. Kamath fumes over casino issue. Goa for Harmony, a group of Goenka opposes entry of Sriram Sene in Goa. Labour leader Christopher Fonseca joins the bandwagon. Parrikar says government shouldn't encourage pervert tourism and also extends his support to save Talegaon Democratic Front. GBA declares 23rd March as Black Day. Says that there is a need to give up bus to elected representatives, reminding them their duties. And end of the road for Football Academy project as politicians fail to unite, a Prudent Media special. Now the news in detail. Children Welfare Committee Chairperson Ines Kota Carvalho has cleared the fact that CWC strictly follows the procedures specified in the Juvenile Justice Act in the best interest of the children. She also said that no act is carried by the committee to harm the children.
There were reports that the Children Welfare Committee has made irresponsible decisions regarding the transfer of certain children. However, Chairperson of CWC has cleared the facts on the situation.
If the child, when the child is brought in by the police, and if the child tells us the name of his parents and the place where he comes from, we immediately transfer him with police escort back to his mother and to his family. But in many cases, as we explained, the child does not open up. It takes quite some time before they tell us the real facts and the truth. And sometimes when it's a little child, it's very difficult because they do not know where they come from, but they can show us the place where their parents are. And immediately we take them by car to the very place that they can recognize, and we locate the parents.
Our reporter in Panji, Sunny Narvikar and Manoj Arulkar.
First, the news from the Congress camp. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee held a very important reunion of their bigwigs and CLP members in the view of forthcoming Lok Sabha polls. Various strategies and important decisions were finalized during the meet at Congress House on Friday.
Today we organize a meeting of a Congress party along with the CLP members. And then everybody has expressed his vigor and commitment that all of us will work together, work in a very, I would say, coordinated way to see that the candidates announced by party, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, to make them win in North Goa as well as in South Goa. The whole of Goa has got about 1,338 booths. Up till now, we have organized about 700 to 800 booths. Under 400 booths are to be reached at.
GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar is confident of winning both the seats for his party.
आणि म्हाका खात्री आसा की जे पद्दतीन आमी मागणी केल्ली आसा की दोनूय सीट आमकां काँग्रेसी दिवचे अशें म्हणून नॉर्थ आनी उत्तर गोंय हे दोनूय कडेन आमचे कॅन्डिडेट्स डिक्लेअर जातले अशी म्हाका खात्री आसा आनीक जिखून येवपा संबंदी तातूंत काँग्रेस पक्ष आनी काँग्रेस सरकार जे कमी पडचें ना.
During the press meet, CM Digambar Kamath fumed over the casino issue.
Out of that, before that, 2 licenses were given, one to Ramada and one to Lila. And then the government took a decision that we should go maximum 5. So it becomes 5 plus 2, 7. ना धा जावपाचें म्हटलां हांवें केन्ना तुम हांव बेश्टेच म्हाका घालता अरे तशें नंबर दिवपाक मेळना तो सी परत कॅबिनेटीन जेन्ना पळय लास्ट टायम आयलें कॅबिनेटीन कितें म्हटलें फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी शूड बी सेंडिंग देम आउट ऑफ मांडवी लेट देम गो आउटसाइड.
Our reporter from Panji, Ganesh Hotkar.
Goa for Harmony, a group constituted by concerned citizens, has opposed Sri Ram Sene's plan to venture into Goa. Members have clearly told Ram Sene that Goans do not need any sort of moral policing. Concrete opposition for this fanatic organization from the Home Minister himself has boosted the morals of Goa for Harmony group.
Anti-Ram Sene fever has kicked off in the state. After the prudent media exposed Sri Ram Sene's plans to set up a branch in Goa and Home Minister's clear-cut opposition to this group, Goa for Harmony has also said a strict no to Sri Ram Sene in Goa.
होम मिनिस्टरान स्टेटमेंट केलो की रामसेना गोंयान नाका आनी ताज्या उपरांतूय रामसेनेचे जे चीफ आशिल्ले तांणी इतले डिफायंटली अपोज केले की आपल्याक कोण गोंयान येता ते कोण आडायता ते पळोवया. सो तेन्ना आमकां चड राग आयलो की तुमी जर म्हणटा की गोंयकारांक खातीर रामसेना गोंयान येता आनी गोंयकारांक ताची गरज आसा जाल्यार गोंयकारूच तुमकां सांगता की आमकां रामसेनेची गरज ना. आमी आमची सुरक्षा आमचे कल्चर आमची आयडेंटिटी सांबाळपाक आमी सक्षम आसा आनी आमकां तांची गरज ना. त्या खातीर आमी हें ऑर्गनायजेशन सेटअप केलां.
Dipti Arolkar appealed to visit the website of Goa for Harmony.
We are appealing to all the youth of Goa, but not just the youth of Goa, but also the people of Goa altogether to support us in this venture, because usually we say that when it comes to culture, the youth are targeted, but we would like to show the Ram Sene that not only the youth of Goa, but the people of Goa together against this. We have an email ID that is goaforharmony@gmail.com. We request you to kindly send in your contributions or show us your support. And one thing we would like to mention foremost is that we are not affiliated to any political party whatsoever, and that we are, like I said before, we are a group of citizens who have come together for a common purpose.
Right. As of now on our agenda, we have contacted a lot of organizations for their support. We are starting with a signature campaign, and we're sending a petition to the Chief Minister. As of now, that's on our agenda, and we do not support Mutalik's school of thought.
If you see their track record behind, you can see in Mangalore what they did. They actually went on a rampage and beat up women. Now, we don't want people in Goa to be divided and to be, we don't want someone who's inventing issues to divide us.
ITUC General Secretary Christopher Fonseca also joins the bandwagon against Ram Sene in Goa.
That Mr. Mutalik had the gumption to make a statement in from Belgaum against Goa speaks volumes for his capacity to talk. And basically he has said that there are some leaders in Goa who are supporting him. We want those leaders to come up the ground and declare themselves so that people know who they are and what their antecedents are. We cannot be given empty threats by people of his ilk who have no respect for women and basic culture of Goa.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, Sunny Narvekar and Manoj Arolkar.
United Goans Democratic Party declared Mathani Saldana as their candidate for the South Goa in forthcoming Lok Sabha poll. During a special meeting held in Margao, Saldana expressed his confidence of winning the seat without bucks and muzzle power.
We are keeping back the North Goa parliamentary seat for some time, but today we are definitely announcing our candidate, who is none other than Mathani Saldana.
Mathani challenged the ongoing trends of alluring and terrorizing the voters.
You must have money, or you must have bouncers or